his face?
It's a little tiny
It
one.
is a tiny one.
Oh, look at that.
Hey, you're being videotaped, dude.
Actually, it's probably
Hey,
Might work.
what was that?
just put it on the table.
What's that bottom thing?
Next to the camera.
It's also the battery.
What is it? What is
Pull
it?
it out. Are we ready?
Hang on,
Rock and
Jim.
roll.
Pull it
Hang on,
out.
I don't think Daddy's got the camera ready.
We're okay.
Yes.
Yay!
Ooh. Pull it off.
Paparazzi.
I'm telling you.
One is decided three,
No
four.
camera for me today.
Where is he? Is that from? Still?
Megan,
What?
where are you?
Right here.
Here,
Do I gotta take a picture every second?
No, but I just
Here you
didn't
go.
know where you were.
Pull it.
This from Grandma and Grandpa George.
Is that better?
No, Megan.
Yes. Yes. Thank you. It's for Cohen. Here we go. Open.
It's got Cohen's name.
Oh,
Oh, it's tight. Grandma taped it.
She must have forgotten you're only one.
Here you go.
she knows
Ooh, what's
she's
in
so
there?
much more advanced.
That's it.
What's in there?
Whip out his pocket.
Ooh.
Oh,
A card. Look.
Oh,
yeah.
Look at that.
Say for the fall.
Such a big boy.
Those look so big, huh?
Is he 2?
They're only 18 months, but they look big.
Yeah, they look big.
Look here.
Cute.
Oh,
that's
so
Brown
cute.
gonna be a color he can wear.
Oh, yeah.
So cute. Say thanks, Grandma.
That's it.
Ooh,
Leave
look.
that cardboard box.
Did you open that?
I think it was.
It was open?
I think it
I
was.
bet she forgot to put something in it.
No, it was. It's like
No, she
ripped.
was probably thinking about sending that.
Oh.
Oh, yeah.
Ooh, you got some monies.
Sodom need to take how
Here,
long?
hold this.
You stick it in your mouth while you're at it.
Grandma and Grandpa.
This may be a little big, but you will soon grow to them. Have a happy day. Kisses and hugs from Grandma and Grandpa. Say thank you.
Ooh, I love cards.
Love it.
Blow kisses.
Jude, blow a kiss to Grandma and Grandpa.
Blow a kiss.
That Megan did that.
Oh.
Megan.
Good. Blow away.
There we go.
That's good. That's good.
You're too sweet.
That's cute, too.
Too bad you're not loved.
Yay! Here we go.
Oh, looks like all
He's got this look on his face. His eyes are
The
up.
door's over here. Let's go to the door. Look, you can get in. Here. Look this way.
You excited? I didn't think he would be excited about it.
Look, here's the door. Here, look. Look on this side.
I bet Cookie Monster would get out of your way.
Sit in there next to him.
Look.
He'd probably let you drive.
Look.
Does this mean you're gonna buy him a car when he's 16?
Here, look.
Part of the humor in this is that Chris and I were driving around in garage sale one day,
It's
and we saw one of
Cookie.
these. It was a little beat up, but I was
You
like,
want to get in the car?
I always
Here.
wanted one of those.
Look,
when
you
I
was a
did
kid.
too.
My parents never got me one, right? So Chris was like, I had one. Of course
Look.
she did.
We bought hers at a garage sale.
Megan had a little
We had it all
Oh, Jude, you look so cute.
Look, can your feet reach? Your feet can reach.
Honk
Push.
the horn.
Push. Push.
Oh, you look so cute in it. I'm pretty blue. You might sit in
Is
that,
that-
Mom.
Is that powered the way the Fred Flintstone car is?
Yeah.
Here, let's go for a ride. You ready? Here we go.
Beep, 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 beep. Honk the horn. Beep, beep. Beep, beep. Beep, beep. Too much stimulation.
Hey, Megan and Jesse, I think I might be in Dan's way.
Well, that's okay.
Sorry, sorry.
Okay, we can come
It's
back.
all right. I'll move.
You like it, sweetie? You do? Do you like
Say
it?
thank you, Titi.
And Papa G.
And Papa G.
You
Say
like it?
thank you.
Yeah.
Thank you.
Push. Push it.
Can you turn him around just a little bit,
Yeah.
Christy? Just kind of face him this way.
Oh, there
get
we
the-
go.
That's
So
it.
we
That's
see
the
the
way.
light.
I don't mean all.
Thank you. Say thank you.
Yay!
Jude, say thanks. Jesse put pretty on me.
That is great.
So I think that may be the way it's built.
Well, we can get next.
He's got it.
You love it? Yeah? Careful. You want Cookie to ride with you? Don't you love this? Monster.
Sure.
Isn't it awesome? That'd be
Jesse, you need
perfect
to get
for
a
spring.
picture with Jude holding that and do the blue thing.
Yeah, I already did it with the cake too.
Cookie! Cookie monster!
What was that, Mom?
Here.
Cookie! Cookie
Look, there you go.
Don't know if I got you, but.
I love it because it's about the same size.
Yeah.
Yes.
Here. Here, we'll put it behind you. There you go.
It's like, it's a person.
Going for a ride in my new little car.
Oh,
He's like, no, go
so
away.
I won't go very far.
Here we go. We're gonna take a round about the room.
Beep, 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 beep,